what's required to get Braja Prema Bhakti from Krishna in this Bhagavad Puran verse, the first thing is that we have to accept the Shastra Vidi. We have to accept that the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, and our Vedas, these Shastras are Shabda Brahman. They are spiritual divine teachings given by God and realized souls. Atmaram Munis, Aptakam Munis, Rishis, Munis, Saints, seers of the truth, the great Mahajans, the great Acharyas, the great spiritual teachers of the world. They've seen God, they've realized God, and they are Shakti-avesh. They are empowered to write about how to realize God as they have done, and speak about it as they have done. So we have to accept the Shastra as truth. It's truth, absolute truth. It's real. I believe it. I submit to it, and I love it, and I follow it. That's the first point. Accept Shastra. Then we have to accept that God exists. There is God. And His name is Allah and Jehovah and Krishna and Ram and Vishnu. He has many, Anatanamam. God has many names in different faith traditions. God exists. He's a supreme person. Krishna, Bhagavan. Bhagavan means the supreme personality of God. He's a person. He walks, He talks, He laughs, He loves, He controls, He gives, He takes. I accept the Shastras are true, real. I believe, I submit. I believe in God. I accept that. And I believe that there's a spiritual world. Vaikuntha, Paravyom. There's all these planets in the material world. Ananta Jagat, Ananta Jagananda, Ananta Jagananda. There are thousands and thousands of universes with millions and millions of planets in each one. But beyond all this range, Bhur-Bhava, Swa is Vaikuntha. And beyond Vaikuntha, the center part of Vaikuntha is the lotus, the Braja Padma, the lotus of Braj Mandal, where Radha and Krishna and all his Nitya Parishads, his eternal associates, are dancing and loving and exchanging. We have to believe in a spiritual world. Shastra, God, Krishna, is Bhagavan Sri Krishna. We have to believe in a spiritual world beyond this. Nityadam, Golokdam, Premadam, Golokdam, Shantidam, Golokdam. Nitya. Going there, you never return. Janma karma chame divyam evam yovati tattva. Says, he's telling Arjuna, Janma karma chame divyam. If you understand the transcendental nature, Arjuna, of my birth and my activities, my appearance, my avirbhav, it's not a janma really. Krishna appears, he descends in this world. Janma karma chame divyam. He says that Punar janma vidyate. Arjuna, if you understand me, if you surrender unto me and become pure lover of me, the Krishna Premi, you'll never take birth in this world. You go beyond Brahmaloka, beyond Satyaloka, you'll go to Goloka. Guarantee. We have to believe in the spiritual world. Then we have to believe that, for example, Goloka Vrindavan, that spiritual lok, Goloka, that Divya lok, Prema loka, Lila lok of Krishna, is full of transcendental, spiritual, celestial, divine beings. Everything there is Chinmaya Shakti. Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavi Tabi. Tabira Eva Nijrupata Kalan. So there is a spiritual world, a planet, and it's not just floating like the sun planet. It is inhabited by devotees, Premi Bhaktas of Ram and Premi Bhaktas of Vishnu. And in Goloka Vrindavan, it's inhabited. The Vasis are all Premi Bhaktas of Radha and Krishna. And on that planet, they're all exchanging. They're giving love to Krishna, receiving his love. And they're relishing and they're tasting rasa swadana. Prem ras aswadan. Prem ras aswadan means they are tasting, relishing, enjoying spiritual, divine, loving relationship with Bhagavan Sri Krishna and Goloka Vrindavan. We have to accept that. We have to believe that. We have to have confidence in that. That's another requirement of Shraddhanvita, have faith. And then we have to, as I said, believe in Shastra. We have to believe that Shukamuni and Vyasadeva, who's speaking on behalf of Krishna, we have to believe that this Shruti fal is correct. Yes, I believe, I accept, I have trust, I have confidence. That if I hear the Ras Panchadaya with faith and acceptance, and I believe it, then Shukamuni and Badarayani, Vyasadeva, and Bhagavan Sri Krishna, they will bless me. Krishna will bless me with Braja Prema Bhakti, Madhurya Bhakti, and I will become free from lust once and for all. I will never attain lust. This is unique, amazing power of this Rasa Panchadaya. So it can purify and sanctify the entire world if we believe. But most of us are atheists or borderline atheists. We don't believe in Shastra. We don't believe in God. We don't believe in a spiritual world. We don't believe in spiritual beings. We don't believe in prem ras. We don't believe in exchanges of love. We don't believe the soul is eternal because we're an illusion.